It's comfortable, cheap to maintain, guys. A lot of times with these Hondas, you just... What's up, guys? I'm Sean here from Srkcycles.com, and we have a 2002 Honda Shadow 1100. I think it's the Spirit. I don't know. It's cool though. It's a good bike, and I am pumped. It's got the bags. It's got a wheel. It's got lights, those things, and a windshield, and a little backrest. And this thing's crazy cheap, and I can't wait to tell you guys why I think everybody needs to start off with a first bike of something like this. Let's get to it, guys. Let's start the day like we should. A little bit of words of wisdom. Proverbs 12:15. The way of a fool is right in his own eyes, but he that is wise hearkens unto counsel. Pretty much what that's saying is, wise, seek counsel. Ask somebody else. Be like, hey, is this a good idea? And then if they're like, yes, ask somebody else. Be like, hey, is this a good idea? And then, you know, you'll find, people who they want the best for you. Yeah. Whoever had these highway pegs, they put them at like the goofiest spot. I mean, it's just different. It's not even better than where you're at. It's just a little different. Oh, that was, my RPMs were low to start with, but yeah, nice, good job. All right, guys. So this is why, and I really do. I tell a lot of people, your first bike should just be some old Honda. They've already depreciated all of their value. Not all of their value, most of their value. They've already depreciated all of, so they're cheap. They're reliable. You can drop it. No one cares. It's not a big deal. You're not like, oh, I dropped it. I mean, it still sucks when you drop your bike, but it's not like, oh, it's gonna cost me thousands of dollars to fix. You fix the pieces that stop you from riding, and then you just leave it the way it is. And then whenever you're done, you just sell that like that, and you sell it for probably what you paid for it, or you make a couple bucks on it, and then you say, wow, buying this cheap Honda was a great deal. And that's what I'm saying. That's what I did. I bought a it was very similar to this, but it was actually an 80s bike. I guess it was 20 years older than this bike. But for someone that's looking at buying like a 5 or 10, or they're eyeballing some expensive bikes, because bikes can be expensive, but you just want something reliable, you want something to learn on, you want something that's fun, this could be it. This could be the bike. The 1100's got, trust me, if you're getting started, this has plenty of power. I will show you. I'll show you up here. You will be impressed. It's got enough power for you. No doubt about that. That's not me showing you. That's just me just pulling away. I'm gonna show you right up here. I'm gonna get on it a little bit. Come on. That's about it. That's all I'm gonna get on it. But it's got plenty of power. A great beginner bike. It's not small, but it's not huge. It's not giant. It's not super heavy. You know? Yeah. It's comfortable, cheap to maintain, guys. A lot of times with these Hondas, you just make sure it's got good tires on it. Change the oil every like leap year, whatever. You're good. They'll keep on running. You know, something like this is low maintenance, but it gets you in the door. It gets you riding. It gets you on a bike. It gets you it gives you an idea of what it's going to be like to spend more money on a more expensive bike. It gives you a little time to be like, oh, I like this feature, I don't like this feature. And then next time, you get to choose a little bit better. You'd be like, okay, I'm going to spend a little bit more money. I like Honda, or I like that, but that was cool, you know, or man, you know. And it's definitely a good move. And then when you sell your bike or trade your bike in, you're really not losing. You're not losing tons of money. I disagree. I don't think it's ever a good idea to buy a brand new anything. My grandfather always said, he's like, three-year-old car is the best deal you can get. The biggest chunk of depreciation has already hit. And in some ways, a one-year-old vehicle might be the best. But I'm not gonna argue with my grandpa because he's dead and he can't fight back. That's a cool bike. But no, I think a 3-year-old is definitely a great a great deal when it comes to cars. They're off lease and a lot of the depreciation value has dropped. But especially if you're buying a bike and you're new to it, you don't really know what you want. You don't know what's out there. You don't know what you like. It's not like you're driving a car. Very few people get a brand new car, but they also make cars are made for, you know, they're changeable. You move the seat up, move the seat back. You know, cars are made to fit a very wide range of people. And there's not really an entry-level car. There's just a car, you know what I mean? It's not like, oh, it's a beginner car, that's an expert car. I mean, there are expert cars because they're faster cars. But with motorcycles, there are entry-level bikes because they can be dangerous. You don't know what you're doing. Guys, this bike runs good. I need to readjust that brake down there. I have to lift my foot. The way it's adjusted, someone must have been like real short. They must have sat like that, or their ankle was double jointed or something. So I gotta fix that. But it runs good. It fires up nice and quick. And I think this could be a great bike for someone. I mean, the thing about this is, this could be your first bike. This could be your last bike. It's a good running bike. It could be your everything bike. Like, my first bike's my last bike. I could see that. I could definitely see that. Alright guys, that wraps up. Guys, don't forget to check out, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button right down there at the bottom corner, and don't forget to click the notification button also so you guys get notified every time we do something awesome. Check in the description box where we have information about our motorcycle giveaway, and you can help support companies that support us. We have lots of killer deals on bikes and also killer deals on gear, all in the description box. Enjoy the video. What's up guys, Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe, click here to see more content, and as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.
Man.